Hey everyone, I was taking a hike here this morning. Well, it's not morning anymore. In Sonoma on the coast, and was just thinking about some things and thought I'd jump on here and share the hike with you. But also, I wanted to reach out and ask everybody what my page for my business, Think Outside, for everything landscape and outdoor living. I appreciate all the thoughts and the likes and the everything that everybody, you following my videos and everything. But I wanted to just ask to see what would you like to see on my page? What would you like to see more of? I do mostly residential landscape design and outdoor living, and so I just thought I'd reach out. I was thinking, what can I do to serve people more? So go ahead in the comments below, ask me some questions and let me know your thoughts. Tell me what you like about the page. Tell me what sucks about the page, what sucks about me. And just give me your input. I'd love to hear it. And I'm going to share this incredible view with you. That's the Russian River Valley behind me. Isn't that amazing? I think we all need to be outside more. Living outside is what it's all about. Living outside is life. This is life. Oh wait, I got to show you this. Look at this. Look at this amazing stand of redwoods behind me, and there's redwood forests all over me here. But anyway, so I'm gonna get back to my hike here. I wish I could take you guys along for the whole hike. I guess I could. I'm lucky I even have a cell signal here. But yeah, so please comment below. Let me know what you think of Think Outside. If you haven't followed me there, please go over there and do it. Follow me, and let me know what you'd like to know more of in landscape design and outdoor living, and what I can do to be more of service to everybody. Okay? All right, well, thanks for coming along, and remember, think outside, live outside, and make your world a more beautiful place. Cheers. Bye.